Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basics. Your iPhone 11 is online and updated, and you know the Google account credentials. Once ready, open Settings, tap Contacts, then Accounts, and choose Add Account, right arrow Google. Sign in with your email and password, then make sure the Contacts toggle is enabled. This step instructs iOS to pull your Google contact list into the phone. It's fast but requires proper permissions so the system can read and sync names, numbers, and labels. Once done, verify the account shows under Settings right arrow Contacts, right arrow Accounts, and that Contacts is toggled on. This Confirm Sync is enabled. Next, set your default account in Contacts if you prefer new entries saved to Google rather than iCloud. This avoids split lists. Open the Contacts app and pull down to refresh. iOS will fetch entries and labels. Make sure you give it a few minutes for large lists and avoid toggling rapidly, because that can interrupt the initial import. Finally, inspect your Contacts app to confirm entries and any Google labels or groups. If something's missing, first toggle Contacts off for the Google account, wait 10 seconds, then toggle back on to force a sync. If that fails, remove and re-add the Google account. Make sure iCloud isn't set as the default or locking entries, and verify in Gmail Contacts, desktop, that the items exist. Key troubleshooting tip: remove and re-add the account only after confirming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.